Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 16th of October to the 22nd of October, Gemini. Let's go ahead and see what is in your messages for today. Okay. So the Two of Wands and the Eight of Wands just fell on the floor. So I'm getting something about travel. You might be telling somebody you're leaving. You have to leave for a couple of months. You might tell somebody that you're moving back home. You're relocating. Alright. So this could be real. I'm getting a texting somebody and saying, hey, just letting you know I don't live here anymore. Just letting you know I'm going back home. Something like that. Let's go ahead, Gemini. And I know in my last reading, you guys were very skeptical because you see something on my face and you don't know. No, I'm not. Now, for legal purposes, I'm not going to say the name of the dental place that this occurred at. But just so you know, no man not beat me. I have too much attitude for condone them type of behavior there. Right? So, if you do notice, there is something here. I am not being abused. The government of Ontario has been treating me well. I cannot lie. So if you're noticing something looks wrong, it's just a scratch, okay? It's not about my beauty. It's about the wetness and the tightness of my... Let's go ahead and go to reading. Because I was rewatching the video and I said, whoa. Then probably say, she look like our man beat her. No, ma'am. We have too much attitude. Then would I leave before them get to that stage? Let's go. We have Azazel, Angel of Death, guiding souls to the afterlife, okay? We have Illuminati. So I'm getting a lot of... Okay, so this could be a lot of... I'm getting a lot of... I don't know how to say it. I'm getting underground information coming to you. Now, if Azazel is Angel of Death, guiding souls to the afterlife, I'm getting there's some connection to you and dead celebrities. Or you can tell when a celebrity going. I'm getting a lot of... This could be something about you were trapped on an elevator with a lot of celebrities. Something about your dream. Did you ever dream that you were... You ever dream about celebrities? Why would you dream about a celebrity? What in your brain is trying to... What in your brain... You think something about celebrities, yeah, dream about them. I don't know if you're dreaming that a celebrity is sleeping with your boyfriend. Or a celebrity is sleeping with your girlfriend. We're getting some about celebrities and your dreams. We're getting a connection to celebrities. We have Astaroth, Uncovering Secrets, Grand Duke of Hell, Lust, Vanity and Temptation. I just heard Ozzy Osbourne. Something about Ozzy Osbourne. There's something about we're getting something about a ring him used to have on. I don't know if the ring... I don't know. I don't know if it looks like a mood ring. No, it don't have a diamond, it have a stone. It's a black ring. Or it is silver and black. I'm getting something about a ring. Maybe somebody asked you if you bury them with them jewelry or bury them with a specific jewelry and you said, no, it's okay. He's dead. Or you forgot. Did you forget? I'm getting a celebrity ask you if you bury them with something and you did not do it. And them can't cross over because of it. We're getting Grand Duke of Hell. Or this could be something about Marlene. I don't want to call the wrong one. Because one of them committed murder and one of them was a rock star legend. We have, yeah, Baphomet. Yeah, me getting one, may I hear Ozzy Osbourne. Illuminati and Baphomet, me getting somebody tell you say when me dead or when this happen you need to do something, discharge this money, bury me with something and you didn't do it. Me don't know if during someone's career they would sign them soul to the devil. I don't know if you told your wife or your kids this and me getting you got a ring, you were supposed to be buried with a ring and your wife or your kids never bury you with a ring. Me don't know if the curse it's coming for your wife or your kids. Like your wife or your kids that get sick after you pass. You wouldn't know that because you're dead. But I'm just saying Illuminati, Baphomet. We're getting some type of sacrifice. We have love at first sight. Or maybe you wonder how you outlive your husband. I'm getting because them tell him, say, listen, time is coming down and you haven't given us your wife yet. Both of your kids are happy and healthy and married. So who for life you gonna give? And him say, we'll just do it. No. But I'm getting something, what him never bury with something. We have Raphael, healing, guidance, and travel. Let's go. So I'm hearing sirens. Let's go. First card out is the Nine of Cups. Now the Nine of Cups is an engagement, a party. So I'm getting an engagement coming up. Alright. Totally different message. We have the Two of Cups. That's definitely an engagement. I'm getting an engagement. I'm getting two people coming together. You're bringing somebody together. You're officially asking somebody, hey, do you want to be in a monogamous relationship? But I'm getting this is very serious. Maybe something got serious after 2 months. I'm getting after 2 months, he's like, I'm getting spending a lot of time with this person, a lot of time together. Now, of course, this could be the honeymoon phase that people call it. But I'm getting an engagement, or I'm getting you're going to be engaged in 2 months, October, November, December. I'm getting in December, you're going to get engaged. I'm getting somewhat a Pisces, somewhat a water sign. Now, be careful, because if you're in an industry, Illuminati Baphomet, and you and your man, okay, so it depends. If your man is an athlete and you is an artist, one of you have a sacrifice, one of you forget on. That's why you'll hear some of them rappers here say them don't want them with a famous girl. Because you don't know if you're asleep, what she do to you. You don't know what her label asks her to do to you in order to advance her career. That's why a lot of these successful men very, very wary of being with successful women. Because they have used women all along to get successful and now them want one woman where them not going to sacrifice. But them don't know if you're going to sacrifice them for your career. That's why nowadays the man them so, them very watchy on what you want to be in life. They might ask you, well, your Instagram body, we can't sacrifice she. As soon as she stop post, her fans them gonna ask questions. Maybe we can sacrifice her for your baby and then she come online after I leave her and crying her eye out saying, listen, and baby. Because he don't even know what's happening. He feel like I'm one of these regular bitches that he been fucking and he can disrespect. Let me explain something to you. I'll be damned if niggas trying to play me. Hello, I do not know you, bitch. How could you say? So maybe them can get you online for cry about how them dog you. Me get you need to be careful. Because me feel like somebody I get engaged to you because them want them career boost. Illuminati, Baphomet, you're gonna be the sacrifice. And if you're not the sacrifice, your kids them are gonna born sick. You have sick kids. Or it's gonna pass on to your kid. We have the Six of Pentacles. We have 66. Brody, that's a sacrifice. This is not a power couple. This is not a power couple. 66. This is not a power couple where both of them would be very successful. I don't know if you both persons do the same creative endeavor. I guess you need to be careful. You're gonna be somebody 6. And 2 6s is motherfucking 12, bitch. So you should know that your business is going to be fucking leaked. Is either both of them going to keep each other secrets? 66. Because I'm getting, maybe you're at the height of your career. Or I'm getting 5 years from now is a great projection. I'm getting somebody that engaged to you. Illuminati though. Do they know what they're coming into? Because even if you're trying to be a celebrity and you're trying to get on and you marry a man, the man need to know say there's things that all of you don't know, and just know say Selena Gomez was a moving in the Calm Down music video. There's a lot of things that you have to do. That's why them want you single when you enter industry. Them prefer you be single. There's things you have to participate in and do. And even though you can't sleep good in the nights, you can sleep better doing it when you never had a man. So I don't know what this is, 66. Make you be careful. You're on your way to success. Somebody will try to slow you down. We have the King of Pentacles. It could be a very wealthy man. Him telling you, you don't have to achieve your dreams. Marry me and I'll give you everything you want. But you still can't give me an orgasm. So why would I trust you with my dreams and aspirations to make this possible? Why would I reroute, like Google Maps, reroute my dreams and aspirations for 50 years? Because you have money where you know when you're dead, you can't take the money. I tell you, dreams are very important. How do you potty train a child? I remember when I was getting potty trained, they would wake me up periodically and ask me, you want to go use the bathroom? And if I say yes, I get up and do it. And if I say no, I go back to sleep. Now, a lot of kids believe that, well, a lot of parents, sometimes the kid, when you give them training pants for wear, them just feel like if in the nights, I'm just tired, I can't just use the training pants. That's not what training pants are for. Training diapers are for when them dream. I don't know if anybody can relate to pissing in them sleep. Your dream say yeah pee, and when you wake up, you wet up the bed. Even if you're an adult, some adults suffer from this. And if you're an adult and you wet the bed, usually it's really, really bad trauma what happened to you when you're young. Bad trauma. And if your mother was the type of woman to not address the trauma and she make you sleep on plastic bag on the blood clot bed, because she knows so when you piss up the bed, she don't want the piss going in the bed, so you have to sleep on blood clot plastic bag. Like your grandmother is an 80-year-old African American, right? Maybe you had to sleep on plastic. But that's what the dream. Enough people can tell us, say, yeah, I swear I was using the bathroom in my dream. And when I wake up, I use the bathroom. That's why dreams are very important. So you are telling me to give up give up the reality. Give up this reality what I'm having in my head for the sake of money. I'm getting King of Pentacles, 6 or 1, 6 or, because I'm getting someone's going to be with you, but then I'm going to tell you to stop being the star. If you want him rapper, him going to deal with you and then tell you, say, yeah, you can't rap no more. Be a mother, have kids. He may forget you off. And you're not his competition. You're a female. I don't know. You ever see Lil Wayne compete against Nicki Minaj? Or did he say, yeah, one girl, I'm a wine, I'm a camp? So I don't know why a man compete against you. We have a star card. Yeah, why would you compete against a girl? That's my thing. You're too busy focused on, yeah, look at her hair, look at her nails, look what she wears, look at her attitude, look how she responds to people. No wonder why they want a man. Probably because who's recruiting is a man. Yeah, why you want to compete with a girl? Why you couldn't compete with somebody who have the same penis as you? Yeah, the star card, yeah, the star. You is a star. They're gonna sacrifice you, 66, the King of Pentacles, the star card. Maybe you're the type of girl you don't want to work. You don't want anything. If your man have to make money by any type of controversy, you're willing to go with that shit because you have money. I don't know if that's what it is. One more. We have a 6. Yeah, I'm going to make you leave. Making somebody needs... No, this could be you're going to be wed into the Illuminati. I'm guessing you're going to be wed to a very famous actor, very famous singer. You're going to be wed after them. You're going to be their wife. So you might gain fame because you're with this man. Not necessarily because you're working in Hollywood. I would say if you're going to be with an athlete or you're going to be with anybody like that, preferably it's better you be with them when they're retired. When they're retired and are done them career or exiting them career, that's the best time for be with them. You be with them in the first, middle, in the beginning, brody. They might find them way, they might deal with the public, they might learn about social media and all of these things, they might learn about how to act, the criticism, good press, bad press. Plus you deal with falling in love with characters on set if you're not a good actor. Then you have to deal with the after party where you have to fuck somebody. So it's better you catch them at the end when they're retired. When they've seen it all, fucked it all. So me if I marry you right now and then you are getting invited to Hollywood parties. No, me will there with you when you is the one who is leading the Hollywood parties. Exactly, that's what will happen. It's better when they catch them at the end of them career. Them see it, and they're not easily impressed by material things at that point. Them see every pussy, them fuck every pussy, forget the job. Them did multiple orgies, them did all type of them and now them retired. So there's no the feeling for I want more, I want better. You understand when you're in Hollywood, there's not better or more don't exist. is people who greedy and everybody who want a shot at fame. And them will do anything for it. Whether they're married or not. Whether you're Christian or not. You will do anything for it. Because millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of people want this opportunity. So I would say if you're dating nobody, me would just say if you want something more. I don't know how old somebody is retiring. I'm just saying. But you have a better chance with a retired musician, a retired athlete, a retired successful person than you have. I don't know. Because I feel like if when you're on your way with them, they will sacrifice you for reasons. Forget a contract. They will do you dirty. They will get offered for go certain meetings or certain balls and banquets and max parties and them tell you say, I can't bring you. When them retired, at least them have status in them. Or when them is the CEO of them company, them don't have to be retired. They can be retired at 23. You have your own business and your business is so successful. You not tell the government that you're retired, but you can be a retired 23-year-old. Brody, you make 80 grand a year. Sorry, you make 80 grand a month, 100,000 a month. Or how you conduct business, you live like retired people. You can retire at 23. But it's better than retired. It's better than I exit it. Them not in it and in the limelight and in everything. Let's go. At least you have a better survival rate there. 6 of Wands is clarified by the 7 of Swords. So I'm getting theft. Somebody going to steal your energy. Worse, you're a woman. You're getting your period, your cycle of a start change when you start coming into contact with this man. So I don't know if somebody's taking your blood. 6 of Pentacles is the King of... We have the King of Pentacles 2 times. You might even find out that somebody don't even like you. Yo! Somebody probably don't even like you. Them actually like the same sex. We're getting twins. Gemini, are you a twin? Because we have the King of Pentacles here twice. Getting twins. Something about 2 brothers. We have a star card clarifying the King of Cups. Okay, here's a 3rd king. And then we have the Page of Cups and the Emperor. Getting a lot of kings are fighting over you. A lot of kings are... Brody. Me getting even if you have dreams and aspirations, all of these men who control whether your dreams or aspirations can get successfully granted. Me getting them now look upon you as no star. But you want to be a star. Is that what you want to be? You want to be a star? Yeah. You want to be successful? You can afford things. You'll never fucking get it. You know what? You know what? Well, I understand that you want to be an actress, a model, successful talent. You know what? You'd be better in my house cooking. That's what the fuck you'd be better. Me getting all of it. Me getting you try to achieve your dreams. Them man, yeah, them have no interest in you achieving these dreams. Them have seen hotter than you, better than you, nicer than you. Girl, what sell out them soul. They're like, you look great as my girlfriend. I don't want to be your girlfriend. I want to sing, I want to dance, I want to act. I understand it's, you know, you're doing a lot of this and not a lot of this. This is what I feel. Me getting these men are not looking. The star card is naked. You're not looking at the celebrity as in, oh yeah, you know, we can promote her and she'll bring us money. Them have money. If them need for recruit somebody dumb enough to turn into a puppet to make them more money, them can. I'm not saying there's nothing special about you, but millions and millions and millions of girls of all races, size, colors, everything, I look for the same thing. And them is like, you have a better chance for just don't go into what me do for a living and just be my wife than go into what you want to do. Because chances are you'll never be a wife after that. I'm getting a lot of people. This could be a lot of men. Me getting you draw men like how blood draw sharks. They must see the talent in you. They must see how you're independent. And me getting it to draw them. Some going come very loving. Because me getting a son and father is one interest. Me getting some about twin brothers. Or you used to date a brother, now you're dating the other brother as an interest. And we're getting a King of Cups, a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man as an interest. But we have Illuminati here. So again, if you're the celebrity, any man who you're there with will get on. Because with great clit comes great responsibility. We have the 3 of Wands. We have a Tower card. And we also have the 3 of Pentacles, 33. Maybe something is going to be done in a 3-way thing. or something about three men, three brothers, twins and another brother. I'm also getting, you need to be careful, because I'm getting, if you're dealing with somebody in the industry and you was going to sacrifice them, not knowing that them know about the industry, I'm getting something about your legs. You might lose your leg, or you might lose your ability to walk. So I don't know if you did with one celebrity or athlete. I don't know if you did with him and you left him. I'm getting when you see him again, him can't walk. Maybe somebody was trying to sacrifice you, but you left them. And Satan came to collect. Because now you and him is big celebrities, you're there with him. You are going to sit on the house. You are going to be the one to carry the baby. And him are going to be out progressing his career. Because he need a sacrifice. I'm getting maybe he did left the man. And the devil, Satan said, well, where's the sacrifice? Where's the girl there? And you think she's not here. Like, she's not here. She gone. She leave me. I never think she'll leave me. And him say, well, we need to collect. I'm getting your legs went. Because you had to take hers. I'm going to leave it here, Gemini. Until next time.